Have you ever felt frustrated while playing billiards? Small mistakes can ruin your game. But don't worry. Today we'll uncover 10 of the biggest mistakes in billiards and how to avoid them. The first mistake is relying too much on power. Many players think that hitting harder makes for a better shot, but overhitting often leads to a lack of control. The second mistake is not planning the cue ball's position. Focusing only on potting the current ball without thinking ahead can leave you in trouble. The third mistake is an unstable bridge. A shaky bridge makes it hard to control the cue stick properly. The fourth mistake is not understanding spin techniques. Spin can be a powerful tool if you know how to apply it. The fifth mistake is rushing through the game. Playing too quickly disrupts your focus and accuracy. Another mistake that often occurs due to failure to control emotions, not understanding the reflection angle, wrong body position, ignoring game patterns, as well not practicing consistently. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can take your billiards game to the next level. Remember, practice is the key to improvement. Like, comment, and subscribe for more billiards tips.